This video explains your recovery tracker and how to use it. After your surgery, you may have some pain or other symptoms. To help us care for you, we want to know how you're feeling so we can make sure you're recovering as expected. We'll stay connected through your recovery tracker. Your recovery tracker is a questionnaire we'll send to your patient portal, MyMSK, after you leave the hospital. Every day you'll see your recovery tracker in MyMSK. We'll send you a reminder to fill it out. Making your recovery tracker part of your daily routine will help you remember to fill it out. It's best to complete it around the same time each day. Always complete it before midnight. To complete your recovery tracker, log in to MyMSK by visiting my.mskcc.org or opening the MyMSK app on your smartphone or tablet. Once you've logged in, you'll see a message with a link to your recovery tracker. Completing your recovery tracker just takes a few minutes. Your answers will let us know how you're feeling and if there's anything we can do to help. When you're done, click the Submit button. While it's normal to feel tired after surgery, it's important to fill out your recovery tracker so that we can help you with your recovery. It's okay if someone helps you complete your questionnaire, as long as they ask you directly about your symptoms. We'll monitor your responses and help you manage any symptoms you tell us about. A member of your healthcare team may contact you to discuss your symptoms, or you may see a message asking you to call your doctor's office. This means that your healthcare team would like more information about your symptoms. If you ever have an emergency, call your doctor's office. If you need medical care right away, call 911. Everyone on your care team is committed to helping you manage your symptoms so you can feel better. We're available to answer your questions. You can contact us through MyMSK or by calling your doctor's office. Thank you, and we wish you a speedy recovery from your surgery.